like it. No shaft delay in the turbo. Let's see how the new one went. This is my downpipe flange. This is your gasket for it. What I'm not happy with is the amount of meat underneath this gasket sealing surface, this inner ring here. So what we want is good metal underneath it. What I'm not seeing is good metal underneath it in here. So I need to weld and add metal all in here and then refinish and flatten the surface. So this is a mounting point, this is stiff, and I need to weld this to this, but now I have a bit of a gap, so I'm trying to visualize what that gap looks like. I think I have the perfect piece for it. So what I do is I mark lines to help me line up rotationally. After a while you kind of get a feel for the angle. So to me this is about a 7-degree angle. This right here being the low point, and then this mark right here being the widest point. So what I want is a 7-degree with this being its widest point, and then that'll mate this to this. And I know the spacing is about a pinky's width. 7-degree P puts everything right where it needs to be. So let's take both of these out now, and then we'll tack it together. and I'm done. I'm tired. But that's fully tacked up axle back. We'll weld it up and that'll be the last part. Good night.